headaches, migraines, brain fog, even heart issues, and even weird gut issues kind of all at the same time. You could also have vertigo and dizziness and just feel off balance. Well, that was the case for the imaging that you see from this person. Now, she was experiencing all of these things that lasted for years. And guess what? She went to all the specialists, cardiologists, neurologists, electrophysiologists, and guess what? Everything came back normal, fine, nothing was wrong. But if we look closely at this second bone in the neck, we can see how it is a little bit misaligned. That's what we as chiropractors look for, is the structural balance or lack thereof in those top two bones of the neck, causing an interference to how that brainstem brain body connection is operating, functioning, and animating yourself. So you're going to be healing, you're going to be working, but it's just not working the way it's supposed to. And so you have a lot of these weird symptoms that kind of all correlate together because you're having the brain issues and the gut issues, and we've heard about this gut-brain connection. So if your upper neck is out of alignment, this all makes sense. So if you know someone that's experiencing all of those issues, or even just a few of those issues, get them to an upper cervical chiropractor so we can get them the help that they need. Dr. Chad, Jane Spinal Care.